If you work in marketing, you probably wear more hats than me after I get a bad haircut and are responsible for content on multiple social platforms, emails, and websites. It's a lot. That's why we tested thousands of AI prompts for marketing and sales and narrowed them down to the top 9 marketing prompts to grow your business and get more customers. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Marketing and Creator Tools. As a little pro tip, you might want to pause and screenshot the prompts as we go through them so you can use them on your own later on. Let's dive right in. The first and most basic step to building an engaging marketing campaign is understanding your target audience and buyer persona. Because if we don't know who we're marketing to, the time and money we spend on our campaigns goes to waste. This first prompt condenses hours or even days worth of research into a short and sweet summary of who you should be targeting. Ask Bard to analyze the market and identify potential customer segments that are most likely to be interested in your product/service, and develop marketing strategies and step-by-step instructions to reach and engage these audiences. This prompt does the market research for you and summarizes the main points to help you understand your customer. Since you have consolidated data now, use follow-up prompts to narrow down your niche, like what are the common pain points of these audience segments? What are the common pain points that someone might have who's looking to purchase product/service? And what are the values, interests, and hobbies of the people who would buy this product or service? Ask away. And since Bard is connected with Google Suite, just copy and paste the info into a Google Doc. Now that you understand who you're targeting, you can use the other prompts I'm covering today to create a complete and unique marketing strategy. And real quick, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our AI tool tutorials. You can also hit the notification bell to be the first to find out about AI platform news and updates. Now that you know who you're targeting, it's time to write marketing copy to get their attention and ultimately sell them on your product or service. That's why this next prompt helps you write effective and engaging sales copy in minutes versus spending hours or days. Since your goal is to persuade readers to go to your website, buy products, join your mailing list, or otherwise engage with your business, try asking Bard the following. Write engaging and persuasive sales and marketing copy for ads, websites, emails, subject lines, calls to action that insert target audience, who are interested in insert product or service category and are looking for insert solution. Highlight the unique features and benefits of product or service as listed here. Unique features. Always include a clear call to action for insert your desired outcome. For example, we searched this. It gives you copy for a little bit of everything like ads, websites, and landing pages. The email copy can even be turned into a short video script for YouTube Shorts or LinkedIn. It turns 5 hours of work into a couple of minutes. I'll take it. AI doesn't usually get things perfect on the first try, so you'll probably need to ask it to narrow down and further summarize your key points, or you can continue asking questions like, please write 10 email subject lines for this audience. Feel free to pause and screenshot the follow-up prompt too. Remember, it's important to edit AI writing. It's not perfect, and you don't want to look stupid if someone else catches an AI mistake. So use your knowledge plus the creativity from Bard and all AI tools to A/B test different copy. And if you're a content creator for social media or another creative industry, check out this video with 7 AI prompts for creative niches. It's linked in the description with the other videos I'll mention today. A lot of us dread writing cold emails to potential business partners, press, and customers. If you're like me and it takes at least half an hour to write one personalized email, you're gonna like this one. With Bard, you can write 60 emails in 60 minutes, which means you save 59 hours. The prompt? Write a cold email copy for product or service addressing target audience and their pain points. Insert specific pain points. Keep it short and concise. Grab their attention in the beginning of the email and present my solution as the only viable solution in the market, leaving them with a sense of urgency and a compelling call to action. Also, write subject line copy that effectively grabs attention. The email body will showcase the unique benefits of my product or service as the perfect solution to their problems. Appeal to the target persona's self-interest and self-gain and motivate them to action. See how the prompt focuses on piquing the prospect's interest from the get-go, which is one of the biggest hurdles of cold emails. Again, you'll need to give the AI some follow-up commands to polish up your writing, but it'll accelerate your process nonetheless. It's like if Sonic the Hedgehog worked in sales. Can you imagine? In the modern age, it's pretty much standard practice to use influencers as part of your marketing and sales strategy. If you're not doing it yet, take a look at some of the research on how influencers can skyrocket sales. But researching, writing emails, and reaching out to influencers takes forever. Not anymore. Instead, ask Bard. I'm a list your business and industry info, and I'm looking to collaborate with influencers who specialize in your specific content type, like beauty, fashion, or food. My website link is, insert your website link. Can you put together a list of top YouTube channels, Instagrams, and TikTok accounts that make content about insert topic for my brand? And can you help me write personalized messages that showcase my brand's expertise in insert your expertise in that area and how it aligns with the influencer's content? You can get really specific and have it tailor your messages to different age groups, audience sizes, and influencer niches, with eye-catching hooks that'll encourage them to open your DMs in no time. The fifth prompt is for SEO, which is short for search engine optimization. SEO is all about using the right keywords and phrases for the back end of your website, blog, and other social channels. Basically, with this SEO prompt, you'll have guidance on what you need on your web page so it shows up in search engines and your target audience can find you. So tell Bard, I'm a business and industry, and I need strategies for optimizing my website content. You are an SEO expert researching keywords that I should include in my article about your article title. What are the top 30 keywords that I should include in my blog or website so that my target audience, list your audience, finds this page? Also, give me 30 long-tail keywords relating to topic or name of industry that I should include for my target audience to find me. My website link is, insert your website link. You can even use these keywords in the next couple of prompts you'll see on this list. This should give you a solid list of terms that'll bring more people to your brand and improve your efficiency. And if you have a blog and want to learn more specifically about blog SEO, check out our ChatGPT tutorial video linked below. Alright, moving on. Meta ads on Facebook and Instagram are still one of the most effective advertising channels. As of 2023, Facebook has one of the widest active user age ranges of any social media site, which is great news for any business that needs to target multiple demographics. When creating Facebook and Instagram ads, give Bard this prompt. I'm creating an ad campaign for product/service and need help writing copy that will grab the attention of my target audience and convince them to purchase. Please write 5 headlines and 5 short body copies about the following product, insert product, and features. The copy should be persuasive, engaging, concise, and should persuade them to make a purchase. Include a strong, convincing call to action, insert your intended CTA result, for example, visiting your website. The headline should include the keywords, keyword 1, keyword 2, etc., and the body should include the keywords, keyword 1, keyword 2, etc. My website link is, insert link. This prompt doesn't have to be limited to Facebook or Instagram, so you can use it for any social media platform you want to advertise on. Just reword the prompt to fit the app or website, and you're well on your way to catapulting sales. While we're in the topic of online ads, Google Ads is one of the most widely used and effective pay-per-click customer acquisition channels because you're capturing people where they're actively searching. And not so coincidentally, Bard is also owned by Google, so this next prompt is pretty meta. Tell Bard, you're a Google Ads expert. I want to create responsive display ads for Google Ads for my company or brand and my product. Suggest some creative images, engaging headlines, descriptions for your goal, and strong call to actions. Then help me write the headline, which should include the keywords, insert your keywords. The body should include, insert your keywords in the first 2 lines of copy. My website link is, insert your link. You'll get a solid list of ideas that you can suggest to your brand's advertising team or to yourself if you're a one-person show to get ads up and running faster. This will get you closer to ranking on the first page of Google search. Like all prompts, modify these as you need. If you run ads, here's a bonus for you. We use a tool called AI Ad Creatives to build complete ads from start to finish, including generating text, headings, and even video. It's one of the top 10 AI marketing tools that we mention in this video. Alright, we know how hard it can be to keep up with marketing trends year to year, month to month, and honestly sometimes week to week. But you can stay on top of creative marketing campaign ideas by asking Bard, I need to create a marketing campaign strategy for your event, product, etc. What are unique and interesting marketing strategies to promote the product and gain organic reach in the year your campaign is launching? Please come up with 10 outside-of-the-box marketing strategies to use that would separate my brand from other competitors. My website is, insert link. The more specific the info you provide is, like age, gender, and social media networks, the more Bard can tailor your campaign strategy. This puts it way ahead of ChatGPT, which has a data cutoff at September 2021 at the time of this video, so don't be afraid to grill it for new, better, and more personalized ideas. Luckily, Bard isn't your human coworker who's going to snap at you for asking too many questions on Slack. Last but definitely not least is a prompt for growing your LinkedIn presence, because as most of us know, LinkedIn will grow your business network and grant you new job opportunities, connections, and even inspire you. But it takes so long to think of something thoughtful to say every day. If you want weekly ideas for LinkedIn posts customized to you, ask Bard the following prompt. I'm A, list your job role and your interests. Here's my LinkedIn profile. Insert the link to your profile. I want to attract new customers on LinkedIn that are, insert your industry and demographic. Please write 10 LinkedIn post topics about the following, then list 3 to 5 topics that my target audience would be interested in and engage with. Then rate the first 10 posts of various lengths. Suggest PDFs and graphics if needed. You can even use the prompt in tandem with the SEO prompt we covered earlier, since LinkedIn relies heavily on hashtags for post exposure. Between posting regularly and interacting with potential networking contacts, you'll see increased exposure and get closer to becoming one of those LinkedIn influencers. LinkedIn influencers? Maybe I should copyright that? Alright, now that we've covered all the prompts, you can go ahead and see for yourself how Bard can be your second brain and improve your work quality and efficiency. You can customize prompts down to your own marketing niche, and comment below with how it works for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're out here constantly testing AI prompts and tools and sharing the best ones with you. Thanks for checking out the AI Marketing and Creator Tools YouTube channel. See you next time!